Welcome to your digital training course with ProfileTree. In this video, I'll be explaining the onboarding process as well as the structure and topics of mentoring sessions, scheduling and paperwork. Once your support has been approved, you will be assigned a mentor who will act as your main point of contact throughout your mentoring. We will then get in touch via email to organise a suitable date for your first session. This session will take around 1 hour and will be used to plan out your mentoring time, including specific goals and objectives. Mentoring is held in person or virtually via Zoom meetings. All Zoom-based mentoring sessions are automatically recorded as an additional resource for you. These can then be shared via a Vimeo link by requesting them from your mentor. We encourage you to download any requested recordings, as these are only stored in our Vimeo account for a limited time. Should you prefer for your sessions to not be recorded, please advise your mentor or email training@profiletree.com. Sessions are available Monday to Friday during time slots of 9 to 10:30 a.m, 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m, 1 to 2:30 p.m, or 3 to 4:30 p.m. For all sessions, you will receive a Google Calendar invite detailing the date, time, and the topic that will be covered. Please RSVP to your invite at your earliest convenience in order to confirm your attendance. Calendar invites for virtual sessions will also contain a link for you to join the Zoom meeting. Should you need to cancel your session, please contact us as far in advance as possible by calling 028 9568 0364 and pressing extension 2, or by emailing us at training@profiletree.com with a suggested date and time to reschedule. Topics include AI, Wix, Instagram, WordPress, Google Analytics, and many more. In addition to training, we can also offer support in the areas of content creation, including blogs, website and social media, website updates, and video marketing. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way and help you achieve your digital goals. We hope you enjoy your mentoring experience with ProfileTree.